Hey everyone, if you're preparing for AWS certifications or any exam, I've got something awesome to share with you, Anki. Plus, I'll show you a tool I built to make it even better. All right, let's start. Anki is a powerful flashcard app that helps you learn almost anything. It uses spaced repetition, a technique that helps you remember information longer and makes learning super efficient. You can use Anki on iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Android, or just open it in your browser on Anki Web, ankiweb.net, and sync your decks. Now, a limitation of Anki is that it doesn't support multiple choice or single choice questions by default, the kind you'll see in certification exams. Anki is designed for simple flashcards with a question on one side and an answer on the other, like vocabulary words. To fix this, you can use my example Anki deck. Let me show you how it works. If you open the example deck, you can create a new question by adding a card. Normally, Anki comes with basic cards, which have a front and a back. For example, you could put hello on the front and the German translation hello on the back. With my custom Anki card type, you can choose own one like when creating a new card. Here you enter a question like, what is the name of AWS's latest search service? Then you add answer options like Kendra, OpenSearch, etc. You can set the question type to either single choice with 2 or multiple choice with 1. For single choice, you select the correct answer by its index starting from 0. So if OpenSearch is the correct answer and it's the second option, you'd enter 1. Once saved, the answers are randomized, preventing you from memorizing their order. If you select the correct answer, it's marked green. If incorrect, it's marked wrong. This is incredibly useful. For example, I generated this deck using AI for the AWS practitioner exam. It includes questions like, what is the pricing model for AWS Lambda? You answer pay as you go and immediately see if it's correct. Then Anki lets you decide when to review the card again. If you got it wrong, you can choose again to see it in 10 minutes. If it was easy, select easy, and it'll appear in 15 days. Anki adjusts your review schedule based on how well you remember. One downside of Anki is that it doesn't have a true quiz mode. You see immediately whether an answer is correct. So I built Anki Quiz Mode, an open source tool you can run locally or in your browser. Here's the link: ankiquiz.streamlit.app. This is the hosted version of my Anki Quiz application. It includes AWS practitioner questions, but you can use your own decks too. You can navigate through questions, answer them, and flag them for review. It won't show the correct answer immediately, just like in a real exam. After completing the quiz, you'll see which answers were correct and incorrect, another great feature. You can export Anki decks and import them into Anki Quiz. Just save your deck as a .apkg file and upload it to the web app. Right now, media, like images, isn't supported, but I may add it later. Since it's open source, you can check out the GitHub repo and follow the installation instructions in the README. You can also run the app locally. To do this, clone the repo and switch to the time mode branch, install Streamlit, then run Streamlit run main.pa. In this mode, you get 2 minutes per question, similar to an actual AWS exam. This helps simulate real testing conditions and improves time management. I also wrote a blog post about Anki where I go into more detail. I'll include this video in that post. All right, that's it for now. Have fun using Anki, and good luck with your exams. Keep learning and see you next time.